Hi, I'm Atiba De Souza of Client Attraction Pros. We are an SEO content marketing agency, and I've known Uzair and Google Ads like a boss for well over a year now. And guys, let me just tell you, if you're in a place where you're looking for process, if you're in a place where you're looking for systems to really help your business grow and really systemize your agency, then this is the program that you need, because that's exactly what Uzair and his team delivers to you. Okay. And the thing about it is, they're not delivering something to you that's theory or that they're curious about. They're delivering to you exactly what they do on a daily basis. And that's the thing that I love, because in this time of knowing Uzair, I've seen him do everything that he teaches. There isn't anything that he's teaching that's just like, yeah, that might work. No, no, no. This is the real deal, how it's done. And I've gotten to see underneath the hood, right? And some of the, man, it's amazing. And that's what you need. And you know that's what you need, because you know that you're in a place where things are going haywire in your organization, right? Your agency is driving you nuts almost, because there just isn't standardization and process of how we get things done. Google Ads Like a Boss will help solve that for you.